because the trend is direction. That's what trend is. Trend is absolute direction
Of what?
of of that stock that you're looking at. Price. All of the chart is showing you is the price of that stock we're looking at, where it's at, where it looks like it's going. That's all we're looking at. We're looking at the price of a stock moving in real time. Depending on what time frame we're looking at, that chart is that price moving in that time frame. So trend is direction, and a trend is the lowest point to the highest point. That defines a trend.
For example?
For example, you see this point? It's the lowest point in our face right now. In our face right now, that's the lowest point. So if I go and I'm plot my trends, I'm looking for the lowest point. I start my line and I go to the highest point. This is the highest point. All these points are underneath this point. All these points are underneath this point. So that's my trend. Right? What makes this important is, again, everything we are trying to do revolves around having an edge and a gauge of the stock we're looking at, direction. All the things we use are tools to give us that edge, to gather high probable next move. Okay? Direction. Next move, direction. That's all we doing when regarding evaluating the chart. That's all we're doing. And we have tools to be able to give us confidence in probability of next move. So a trend, lowest point. So this is an uptrend right here, because it starts from the low and it goes to a high, okay? To the high. There is no other high in front of us. There's no other highest point. And in front of us, there is no other lowest point.
A trend is always going to be the lowest point to the highest point.
That's an uptrend.
Okay.
There's three things a market can do, right? What are the three things?
Go up, down, or sideways.
So those are your trends right there. Uptrend, downtrend, sideways trend. And that's a channel. So that's not a trend. Inside of that channel, sideways channel, they are making trends. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Remember, we did that inside of a channel. They call it range, but it's making the only two trends inside of that range channel. Up, down, up, down, up, down. But the market only does that.